Yeah, so I tied my hair back. It looks like I got a haircut. um, I gotta go get an Ethernet cable for my new Wi-Fi box. So I'm going over there to get it right now because it didn't come with it. Like, what the fuck? Which is weird. It's only like $5 or $7 though. And then I'm just gonna be doing my thing. I'm gonna get a new job. Because this job that I have right now is having me drive all over the place, go to these people's houses. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. I can't wait for Christmas. Look, they destroyed this Taco Bell completely. Like, they just demolished the Taco Bell. Like, they just really, like, tore it all the way down. Like, I didn't even see them use bombs or anything. But I don't see how they would have not used bombs to, like, destroy that Taco Bell. I mean, it's just fucking insane.